Welcome to my Halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is miso soup with SUITON dumpling. Yay! I want to share miso soup recipe today. It can be used as a light meal in 1 cup. I guess many people become fan of Japanese food because of miso soup. Miso soup is one of indispensable Japanese dishes for Japanese people as well. The ingredients of miso are rice, soybean, or barley, with the addition of salt and koji. Koji is rice malt. Because the combination of ingredients of miso varies by region, so there are many different types of miso in Japan. Since each miso has different flavor and color, even we Japanese people sometimes come across unfamiliar miso soup when traveling. If you are trying miso for the first time, I recommend a type of miso called awase miso that's made by mixing 2 or more types of miso, which has this light brown color. This type of miso can be used for all purposes. Today's miso soup contains vegetables, chickens, and SUITON dumpling made from flour. SUITON dough is very soft and watery to be scooped up with spoon. It's similar to the dough of Chinese poyui. My pronunciation was okay? Poyui. I want to show you how to shape it. That is today's highlight. The texture of SUITON is very smooth and it's not as filling as noodles. So it's perfect for light meal. Every household has a flour in the kitchen, I think. That is a great point. You can make it whenever you want. Okay, shall we get started? In my video, I share a lot of tips about halal Japanese cooking recipes. I hope my recipe help you to be healthy and enjoy it with your family. Please see more information below if you need. Ingredients are chicken. Today I want to use thigh meat, DAIKON radish, carrot, KOMATSU-NA. KOMATSU-NA is Japanese mustard spinach. Green onion, sweet potato, ENOKIDAKE mushroom. About ENOKIDAKE mushroom, no need to wash, just chop and use. And thin type fried tofu. Boil the fried tofu to remove the excess oil from the surface and chop into small pieces. And for SUITON dumpling, flour and water. Seasoning is sesame oil and miso. Chop all ingredients into bite-sized pieces. Please adjust the size according to your spoon. Since sweet potato is easy to messy, chop it into slightly large pieces with skin. Apply the sesame oil a little bit and turn on the middle heat. And fry the chicken skin side first. Then turn over and fry another side. On the hot way to fry the chicken, Add all vegetables and let them to be coated with oil. Vegetable coated with oil, hot water, and boil until the vegetable becomes soft. Ingredients of SUITON dumplings are flour and water. You pour water little by little and mix them. Don't stir too much after pour water to prevent the texture become too sticky. Okay, can we make it? Okay, this stickiness is okay. Can you see? Like this. Okay. Set aside. Can we check whether the veggie becomes soft or not? Okay, soft enough. So soup is not enough. So can we add some water? Okay, enough. From now on, going to add the SUITON dumpling into the soup. This is today's highlight, how to shape it. This dough is very watery, so we scoop the dough by spoon and slowly float it on the soup. Can we try? We scoop some and slowly float it on the soup. Take some, then slowly float on the soup. like this. After put the SUITON, don't touch for 1 or 2 minutes until it hardens. Dumplings are almost okay. So this is the last step. Going to put miso to season. Miso like this. Soak into the soup and soak the miso into the soup, and once it's boiled again, turn off the heat. Because if you continue to boil the soup after you add the miso, the aroma of miso will be lost. Okay, SUITON miso soup has done already. Can we try and report you when it's hot? いただきます。This is SUITON dumpling. Outside is very smooth. Oh, very soft. I will try. The outside of SUITON dumpling is very smooth, but inside is very chewy, like a mochi. I love it. We didn't use DASHI broth today, but chicken and lots of vegetables makes the soup to be so nice. And sesame oil and miso has good chemistry. Even if you don't put the chicken and you want to use vegetables only, frying them with sesame oil before simmering will give the rich aroma to your soup. Miso is a fermented food, so it has been confirmed as halal by certification body in many countries, including Japan. However, some products contain alcohol to store long. So when you choose a product, make sure to be labeled as additive free or that does not list alcohol on the ingredient list. But if you are still concerned, please purchase Halal certified miso online. You can make SUITON dumpling by oatmeal as well. You can adjust the water amount to almost the same thickness of flour dumpling. It's more satisfying to eat. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos.